patient is, I don't understand. I've eaten the same my whole life. I haven't changed anything. And I've gained 20 pounds in the last 2 years. My joints ache. I'm just constantly bloated. Had you noticed that you used to not put a thought towards your health trajectory, and yet you seemingly maintained a lean body composition, and no matter what the inputs from the night before, you woke up ready to roll the next day? Same foods, same routines, but now you're gaining weight, feeling sluggish, maybe dealing with brain fog, anxiety, joint pain. This scenario I hear on repeat literally every single week. So what's going on? Your body isn't static. When you're younger, you have deep reserves. You can skip meals, drink alcohol, eat processed food, stay up all night, seemingly bounce back. No, fresh rubber band, right back. All the while, your body is using up precious reserves in an effort to maintain optimal cellular function. But with each passing year, those stores of nutrients, enzymes, hormones, regenerative proteins, that signal from them is shrinking. And without real food nourishment, the body gets farther and farther behind. Though symptomatically, seemingly, you might feel totally fine, feel great, lots of energy, love life. And maybe the greatest and most problematic of all of this, when there's lack of real food input, is the shift that takes place in your microbiome, this area in our abdominal cavity. Your microbiome controls inflammation, controls hormone metabolism, neurochemical formation and balance, as well as detoxification. And you may have come into this world with a grouping of bacteria that promoted fantastic immune balance, that promoted just a rapid, ravenous metabolic rate, that favored insulin sensitivity and fatty acid metabolism. But years of ramen noodle eating, fast food, Red Bulls, Gatorades, slushies, antibiotics, vaping, alcohol, and all the like, now your gut bacteria balance has shifted, creating a whole different pattern of neurochemicals and hormone balance. Because the bacteria, they change based off of the inputs. You've crafted a body that now sees abdominal fat accumulation, anxiety, arthritis as the model necessary for survival. Then seemingly one day, 1 month, it happens. Boom! You hit the breaking point. For years, your body patched things together, figured out a way around things. But eventually, that duct tape holding your system together, it's going to give way. And it does give way. And that's when doing the same thing suddenly produces totally different outputs, different symptoms and signs, weight gain, fatigue, mood swings, chronic illness. Age 22, you eat fast food, have a late night, drink a bunch of beers, bounce back fine. Age 42, same routine. Now you wake up bloated, unmotivated, and with spare tire around your abdomen. Living on feelings and convenience now is a sure way to find yourself asking, what happened to me down the road? And it won't be because of aging, like literally years going by, but it's because of one choice after another. And I'm here today to implore you to take the initiative to become a health accumulator. Watch every single one of my videos before you end up with fully manifested system breakdown. Because your time is coming. It's coming if you're not putting in real food substance. Whatever a man sows, that's what he's going to reap. The seeds we sow will bear fruit. We don't plant seed and wake up tomorrow with a full-grown tree in our backyard. The road to health manifestation, it's going to require persistence. It's going to require consistent effort, consistently showing up. It will require a lifestyle that looks likely in stark contrast to family, friends, coworkers, the world all around you. But, as I often say, only you will have to live in your body. So do you know what real food is? Without real food, you're really going to miss out on the best your body has to offer. We're talking meat. We're talking eggs. We're talking fruit, vegetables, beans, nuts, seeds, literal whole grains, like a whole oat or a wheat berry, not the flour you're going to get at Costco or the whole grain sourdough bread you get at your local health food store. Those things are shams. They're a form of godliness, but they lack the power to support true nutrition for our beings. I'm Dr. Matt. Please send this to somebody who you want to accumulate health. Please share it far and wide, because people do not realize that just because symptoms and signs are not fully manifesting in their body doesn't mean that they are not going to fully manifest in the body in the coming months, years, if there is not a trajectory change because of different inputs being put into their being. All right, talk to you guys and gals later.